The Coptic Orthodox Cathedral in Aswan. The Coptic Orthodox Cathedral in Aswan is a Coptic Orthodox church dedicated to the Archangel Michael. It is one of the oldest Christian communities in the world, whose roots trace back to the early Christian communities of Egypt. The cathedral was constructed in the 19th century and has undergone several expansions and renovations over the years. It is known for its stunning architectural style, which combines traditional Coptic and Byzantine elements with more modern elements. The interior of the cathedral is also a sight to behold, with its stunning stained glass windows, intricate carvings and frescoes, and magnificent altars. In addition to its religious significance, Archangel Michael's Coptic Orthodox Cathedral is also an important cultural and historical site, attracting thousands of visitors each year. Whether you are a religious pilgrim, a history buff, or simply a lover of beautiful architecture, this cathedral is well worth a visit. The main purpose of Archangel Michael's Coptic Orthodox Cathedral is to provide a place of worship for the Coptic Orthodox community. Visitors are welcome to attend the liturgical services and join in the prayers and hymns. The church is also home to several important relics and artifacts, including icons, manuscripts, and artifacts from the early Christian period. Check these relics if you are interested in knowing the history of early Christianity in Egypt. The cathedral is home to an extensive collection of Coptic icons, many of which date back to the early Christian period. You can admire these beautiful works of art and learn about the significance of icons in the Coptic Orthodox tradition. From time to time, the cathedral hosts concerts, lectures, and cultural events, offering you a chance to witness the rich cultural heritage of the Coptic Orthodox community.